Hello everyone. Today I have brought a very amazing and helpful video for all of you about how one can see a display picture or a profile picture from a logged Facebook profile. So without any further delays and without any doubts, I'm gonna show you how easily you can see a locked Facebook profile picture. So for this you need to open your Chrome browser and you have to log into your Facebook account, and then you have to search for the person to whom you want to see his profile picture. I have searched here a random person name. So here are the profiles of the with this name. So I would randomly pick any profile for you to see how this method works. So simply I'll click here. Look, as you can see, the profile is locked here as it's written, and you can't see any other thing. And if I click on the display picture of this profile, it's written that this profile is locked and the cover photo too. So let me show you the method. Simply you have to copy the link of this profile from the address bar, simply by doing Control C, or you can copy from by doing the right click, copy the address, and you have to open another tab. And in this tab you have to search Facebook profile photo download from locked profile. Okay, so here you will see a lot of websites, but as per my experience, none of them works in a perfect way, except the website which I am going to show you. So when you will write this statement here, so click on the search icon and you will see a lot of websites. Simply click on the second website. The name is Facebook profile picture viewer and the website is downev.com. Okay, remember this website you have to open. So I'll simply click on this website. Here comes the interface and overview of this website. Simply the address you have copied from the previous Facebook profile, you have to paste it here. Okay, as it's written, enter Facebook URL. So I'll simply paste the address which I have copied and simply click on the unlock button. Here it's loading, and now you will see a magic and a moment of truth for all of you, and for those who always make fake videos and that doesn't work, and write on their Facebook channel and video that this method works. But this is the moment of truth. Here you can see, I'll simply click on this I icon. Here you are. You can see that from this to this, how you can easily download the picture. Okay, so to simply download the picture, you can click on this download button, and you can simply take the screenshot from snipping tool. Let me show you how this works. I'll reduce the screen size. Okay, there are actually two methods. You can also take the screenshot, and the most simple way is to download image. As you can see, the icon here, it's hidden. Okay, simply click on this icon and the image is downloaded. So here you can see, and the quality is very good. It's a very high quality picture. Look, you can see. Okay, if you like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and comment in the comment box that what kind of videos you want to see more. So I'll be making such truthful and genuine videos for you. And I'll also bring for a video for Instagram too, how you can see a profile picture from a logged Instagram profile. So like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.